that returnees working in various central government offices, in various private offices as well, are not following the entry, testing, and quarantine protocols. We want to reiterate that entry, testing, and quarantine applies to everyone. We got a report yesterday from the Deputy Commissioner, Ribhoi District, that 2-3 vehicles had bypassed the Omling checkpoint and had quickly, come this side without undergoing testing. They gave us the numbers. One of them was an ML01 number. We alerted the Maoyong checkpoint. As soon as they reached them, there we sent them back. The point is, we want to send the message that we all have to work together in this. The state government cannot do it alone. We need the cooperation, we need the discipline and the active engagement of all stakeholders in order to protect ourselves, to protect our community from this virus. We already have a very high positivity rate and a high hospitalization rate. If this exponential increase in cases continues, our hospitals will be full, they will be booked to capacity, and there will be a serious burden on our healthcare system. Let us think about our healthcare workers and let us do them this favor by really maintaining the protocols, and during this 10-day period, as much as possible, please stay